Hi, ducky. Kitty Bankins. Or John Bankins. Kitty Spinks. Kitty Spinks. Uh-huh. Good. Is he back? Better? Ow. Done? Done? You want more? You want some more? More love? Head massage. Done? Is that all the love you need? Are you fulfilled and satisfied? You want more? Oh, auto pet me! Auto pet me now! Hello, you ducky. You're the funniest duck. Oh, have ya? Hey Pooh. What's up? Are you eating? Are you eating food? Are you really? Can you show me how you eat food? First you select a piece. That's a good piece, I think. And then you eat that bit. And then you select another piece and then you eat that bit. And then maybe one more piece. One more? Or are you done? Not done yet? One more piece? That bit looks good. Good choice, Pooh. Good choice, Poo Poo. Thanks, I know. I only eat the best. Boogie, are we going down the stairs now? Let's go down the stairs then. Come on then. Oh, you did come down. Good job. Hi, Puppy. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Hanging out on the stairs with your best friends now? Sorry. You guys are gross. Look how cute you are. Ugh. You're giving me diabetes with all your sweetness. I love you guys. Oh, back itch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Under the collar. Oh, under the collar. Yes, yes, yes. We love it under the collar. Mmm. Isn't that right, Peggy? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, Pucky? Can you give me a kiss? Thank you, kitty kisses. I love you too. You're my good boy. Evidence kitties like puppies. And puppies love kitties, don't they? Yeah. Hey, bro. Oh, jeez.